Pastor Chris here with the day's mail. And look what came, our curriculum for Enduring Faith. And I'm really excited to open this up. I hope you're as excited as I am to see these. This is going to be really cool. Our Enduring Faith, this is our Sunday school curriculum that we're going to be using for Sunday mornings and for other opportunities as well. And the thing I really like about it is it got a lot of really great take-home. So there's a lot of activities. There's an online access portal. Teachers, that's already set up. We've got a cloud. I'll get you the access key. But then they've got these wonderful take-home resources. This is called the Defend Journal, and this is for youth, and it's got these really cool questions and reflection areas, and it really does actually read like a journal, and just something that's really super cool for kids that are in that youth range to take home and be able to kind of interact with some content and some questions. And, you know, as a parent, something that'll probably kickstart some conversations at home too, which is always a good thing. This is the Explore Bible Guidebook. And so for elementary or middle school kids, this is what it is that they'll be taking home. And they get one of these about every 14 lessons, if I'm not mistaken. And it's really nice, pretty material inside. And this is really cool because as they learn about the lesson in class and as they're with other classmates, you know, to get something that looks really pretty and beautiful at home really makes sure that there's something that they're reaching for and they're excited to open up at home and maybe take a look at. Again, so they're not leaving things behind. So it's not just a Sunday thing, but always doing everything we can to get things to be in the home, to open things up in the home and have those faith conversations in the home. And you just see how pretty this is, how exciting this is. I mean, if I was a kid, I would just be sitting on the living room floor soaking this up the first time I brought this home. And I'm sure that'll be true for some of your kids. I know it'll be true for one of my kids. That's super cool. So that's the elementary guidebook. So this is the material, and one of these for each of the students that are in that age range. And then what else do we have here? Like I said, I haven't unboxed this yet. So this is really cool. Oh, this is super cool. All right, hang on. Oh, this is great. Okay, so this is for early childhood education. So, you know, little kids, keeping track of a book is going to be really hard. Like, even if you're trying to keep track of it, you never know when they're going to reach for it, and you're trying to get things together on a Sunday morning. Who knows if you're going to be able to track it down? Oh, these are really cool. This is fantastic. So they come as this booklet, right? So this is for these covers are deceptive. You open it up, and it's really everything's quite beautiful. They come as booklets, and the nice thing is that these actually, they come apart as leaflets. So as kids come for a lesson, right? So this just came out. And so they can take that home, and that's really nice because then one at a time as we're going through the various lessons, they'll be able to take those home and very age appropriate, just some nice things. And there's a Bible verse that's in there. And the Bible verses, by the way, are same through all the different age ranges. So if you've got kids from varying and different ages, they're all going to be working through the same scripture memory thing as that goes, and some of the craft materials too. What else do we have here? There's a box. Let's open the box. What do we have in here? And this is the nursery kit. And so this is for the really teeny tiny kids. And this is where they've got all kind of wonderful little accessories, little books, talking my little book about Jesus, my book about church, and some nice resources just to have some extra activities, just to encourage parents as they're sort of grasping with the new reality of having a baby in their home and the beginnings of what is going to be the beginning of a family where there needs to be that discipleship and so on too. And they've got just these nice little stories and pictures in there, some little cards, and some other things here too, envelopes and so on. This is really great. Boy, that looks really, just look at that. My Family Devotional. Ooh, that's pretty. See, we've been looking all this stuff online, and sort of finally have it in our hands and see the color is really cool. So that is our Enduring Faith curriculum. So in terms of getting hold of the materials or whatever, you know, touch base, a lot of other stuff is digital. So a lot of what we have with this curriculum is actually online. And there's a lot of other stuff that we might throw in as a supplement to that too. And again, that access system for our cloud drive is set up. I'll get the access key so we can do that. I'm building a teacher hub page within our website for teachers and helpers to be able to access that material and have some different forms and that kind of stuff. But if you're teaching and you're looking forward to the opportunity to disciple kids, or you're a parent like I am, I hope you're as excited as I am seeing our new material. Learn more at livingwordmankato.org and look for the Enduring Faith tab to see more.